and you know it's meant to be. You know instantly the stars have aligned and their paths would bring them together regardless what the world may throw their way. AJ, thank you for treating my best friend the way she deserves to be treated. Thank you for loving adventure as much as she does. Thank you for stopping by Krispy Kreme on your way home from work to buy her a dozen after she makes a comment over the weekend that she's craving donuts. I couldn't dream up a better guy for her. Haylee, you and I have grown up together, but here's to you and AJ growing old together. Everybody please grab a drink and join me in the new Mr. and Mrs. Timlin.
Look up, darling. Look, the sky has turned to gold. As you dreamt in porcelain, the sun went down. There's a heart on the ground. Take me to that hidden place. Promise me the glass will break. Fragility is a gift that we don't see, brought to life by the storms that wreck the sea. Days revolve.
Dear Haylee, from the moment I met you, I knew that you were going to be special to me. 8 years ago, when we first came into each other's lives, I could never imagine where we would be in the position we are in today. You are my absolute best friend, and I'm so excited to be turning this new leaf with my life partner. You've always been there for me no matter what, and I know that I can always count on you through any obstacle that is put in front of us. I know wholeheartedly that I could not live without you by my side. We have always been each other's rock, and I promise to always be there for you no matter what. There may be ups and downs for us, but I know that we can get through anything together by each other's side.
Take me to that
I love everything about you, especially that smile when you get all giddy and excited. You have always been the most caring for others, especially myself. You think of me no matter what, and I can't express how much that means to me. I am so excited to see how beautiful you are when you walk down the aisle today. You mean the world to me, and I cannot wait to marry you. Love, AJ.
Promise me the glass will break. Fragility is a gift that we don't see, brought to life by storms that wreck the sea. Take me to that hidden place. Promise me the glass will break. glass will break.
Who gives this woman to be married today?
Her mother.
Now we bow for prayer as we begin our service today. Heavenly Father, I pray now that you would look down upon this service and in your grace, that you would calm nerves.
To my best friend, AJ, I can't believe this day is finally here, the day that took almost 2 years to plan and has been 8 years in the making. Today I get to marry you, my absolute best friend and soulmate. There's no one on earth that I'd rather share my life with, and I am so excited to start this new chapter of our lives together. When I first met you 8 years ago when I was just 15, I could have never imagined that we would be getting married. I think about how grateful I am that you were brought back into my life 5 years ago when I needed you the most. I never knew what true love was until you came back into my life. I am grateful for you every day of my life. You are my rock and my shoulder to cry on when I need it. I love you for so many reasons. I love that we can literally be doing anything and having the most fun of our lives together. Whether that be traveling to a new place together, going on a Jeep ride, or just hanging out around the house together, even though I know you can't sit still for more than 30 minutes. I love that you make me laugh harder than anyone else can, and make me happier than anyone else can. I love that you make me more spontaneous, like deciding to drive to Niagara Falls that same day, and still let me plan things out as much as I can. I love that I can always count on you no matter what. I love everything about you, AJ. Today, I become your wife. May our days be long, and may they be filled with love, understanding, and happiness forever. Today is the beginning of the rest of our lives together. From this moment, I take you as my best friend for life.
Haley, I give you this ring.
I vow to honor, encourage, support, and love you through everything together. When life becomes difficult, I promise to stand by you and uplift you so that you will always have a partner in me. AJ, I give you this ring.
As a token and pledge of my love.
As a token, I promise we will work at our love and always make you a priority in my life. With every beat of my heart, I will love you. I love you to the moon and back, twice, forever and always. Love, your soon-to-be wife. Yes, I can't wait to see how good you look today. Got me at the very end.
By the power vested to me by this state, and as a licensed and ordained minister, to pronounce you husband and wife. AJ, you may kiss your bride. Turn your faces. Ladies and gentlemen, I now present to you Mr. and Mrs. Anthony Joseph Hemley.
Don't you worry there, my honey. We might not have any money, but we've got our love to pay the bills. Maybe I think you're cute and funny. Maybe I wanna do what bunnies do with you, if you know what I mean. Oh, let's get rich and buy our parents' homes in the south of France. Let's get rich and give everybody nice sweaters and teach them how to dance. Let's get rich and build a house on a mountain, making everybody look like ants. From way up there, you and I, you and I. and give everybody nice sweaters and teach them how to dance. Let's get rich and build a house on a mountain, making everybody look like ants. From way up there, you and I, you and I. Let's get rich and buy our parents' homes in the south of France. Let's get rich and give everybody nice sweaters and teach them how to dance. Let's get rich and build a house on a mountain, making everybody look like ants. From way up there, you and I, you and I.
I've been skipping stone, they keep on the road with. Now I've been feeling low, running on the mountain. Now I've been on my knees, aching on the mountain. I've been skipping stone, they keep on the road with. Now I've been feeling low, running on the mountain. Now I've been on my knees, aching on the mountain. I've been skipping stone.
To Haylee, ever since day one, you made my best friend happy. You made him smile and laugh more. You made him less crabby, and most importantly, you got him away from me. When I needed help with something or guidance and AJ didn't know, you were always there to help me, and I appreciated that. Which is why I consider you another best friend, just under AJ, of course. So everyone, raise your glasses up and let's toast to the best decision AJ's ever made. I wish you both a lifetime of love, happiness, and success. Love you guys.
Skipping stone, keep on the road with. Now I've been feeling low, running on the mountain. Now I've been on my knees, aching on the mountain. I've been skipping stone. Skipping stone, keep on the road with. Now I've been feeling low, running on the mountain. Now I've been on my knees, aching on the mountain.